Today, we're getting a look at the very first draft of a vaccine plan submitted by the Oregon Health Authority. It says healthcare workers and vulnerable communities will be among the first to receive a coronavirus vaccine in Oregon. Fox 12's Brenna Kelly joins us live after digging into the details. Brenna?
Nora, this draft plan is over 130 pages, details from who would get the vaccine first to how to make it an equitable distribution. But don't get too excited. There's still no exact timeline on when Oregon will receive its first COVID-19 vaccine.
The Oregon Health Authority had 3.5 weeks notice to detail and submit to the CDC the first draft for a COVID-19 vaccine plan. Though several vaccines are in phase 3 trials, none are FDA approved just yet. And the soonest we'll start seeing data from vaccine makers about efficacy is the end of this month.
Having to wait for all of this, not knowing which vaccine, when, how many is very difficult.
Dr. Joe Sullivan, a senior health advisor for OHA's COVID-19 response, worked on 6 of the plan's 15 sections. He says the distribution program will require a phased approach.
We know at the beginning, when safe and effective vaccines are approved, that we won't have enough to vaccinate everybody all at once.
Healthcare workers will be the first group to receive one, then other essential workers and people at higher risk of severe COVID-19 illness, including communities that have been disproportionately affected by the virus.
We are committed here in Oregon to make this an equitable distribution, making sure that every Oregonian has a chance to get this vaccine.
Sullivan also says they're dedicated to informing people about all of the safety measures a vaccine has undergone once one is available.
We're going to be communicating that over time to give people the reassurance that the vaccines that they will be receiving are as safe and effective as other vaccines that the U.S. has approved.
Right now, the OHA is encouraging everyone to get their flu shot. They're particularly focused on underserved communities and groups who have been hit hardest by COVID-19. That's because they hope this will be the same pathway that they can roll out the COVID-19 vaccine when Oregon gets one. Reporting live in Portland tonight, Brenna Kelly, Fox 12 Oregon.